Patient Management. In the Patients section, you can manage patients and the respective recordings. It is possible to create, edit, delete, and export patient data, as well as viewing and deleting old recordings of occlusion data and editing the attached notes. In this view, you also select a patient for a new recording. To create a patient, first open the OccluSense iPad app and select Patients from the menu. Tap the plus symbol at the top left of the screen to create a new patient file. Now enter the data of the patient. All fields must be filled and confirmed by tapping on Done. If you want to cancel this procedure, tap on Cancel. In order to edit a patient's data, the patient's name has to be selected from the list first. Then tap the Edit Patient symbol at the top right of the screen. The patient ID cannot be changed. If you want to save your changes, tap the Done button. If you want to discard your changes, tap the Cancel button. To delete a patient's data, the patient has to be selected first. Then tap on the Edit Patient symbol in the top right corner of the screen. Finally, tap on Delete. To delete several patients' data at once, tap on Edit at the top of the patient list. Select all patient files that you want to delete, then tap on Delete at the bottom of the list.